Welcome, science and universe enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel.
Have you ever wondered where the largest diamond in the universe is located? It's not in a remote cave or under the ocean, but at the heart of a dying star. Today, we will tell you an extraordinary story that combines science and wonder, taking us to explore the boundaries of our known universe. This is the story of Lucy, the largest diamond in the Milky Way. In the vast and dark theater of the cosmos, about 48 light-years from Earth, lies a white dwarf named BPM 37093, nicknamed Lucy. This name is a tribute to the famous Beatles song, "Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds," a perfectly fitting title for a diamond that shines in the heart of a star. But what makes Lucy so special? Its uniqueness lies in the fact that its core is an immense diamond, the largest crystallized gem ever discovered, with an estimated mass of about 2.5 million trillion carats.
Lucy is a true giant, a cosmic treasure that tells us stories of stars and incredible transformations.
To understand how Lucy became what it is, we must first understand what white dwarfs are. When stars of similar size to our Sun exhaust their nuclear fuel, they expel their outer layers, leaving behind a hot, dense core. This core is what we call a white dwarf. White dwarfs are extremely dense. Imagine an object with the mass of the Sun compressed into a volume similar to that of the Earth. Under these conditions, the carbon and oxygen that make up most of the star's core begin to crystallize under immense pressures. This crystallization process slowly transforms carbon into diamond, just as it happens here on Earth, but on an incomparably larger scale. The discovery of Lucy was made possible thanks to stellar seismology, a technique that studies the oscillations of stars to understand their internal structure. Just as seismologists study earthquakes to learn about the Earth's interior, astronomers observe the pulsations of white dwarfs to understand what happens inside them. In Lucy's case, these observations revealed that a significant part of the star had crystallized into diamond. It is estimated that Lucy's core is composed of this incredible material for between 30% and 82%.
Even taking the lowest estimate, we are talking about a diamond with a mass of about 500 billion trillion kilograms. Lucy is not just an astronomical curiosity. It represents an important confirmation of astrophysical theories.
The progressive crystallization of white dwarfs had been hypothesized for a long time but was only demonstrated in the 2000s thanks to observations like those made on BPM 37093. This discovery also offers us a fascinating glimpse into the future of our Sun. In billions of years, when it has exhausted its fuel and transformed into a white dwarf, it too could slowly crystallize into an enormous diamond destined to shine forever in the cold void of space. These ancient stellar cores will continue to exist long after our Earth has become uninhabitable, slowly cooling and remaining as silent monuments to past stellar life, witnesses to the history of the universe. To give you an idea of the colossal size of Lucy, consider that the largest rough diamond ever found on Earth is the cullinan, which weighs about 3,000 carats. In comparison, Lucy is about 2.5 million trillion carats. The economic value of such a diamond is practically incalculable, far exceeding any amount of money currently in circulation on our planet. But how do scientists know all this? As mentioned earlier, they use stellar seismology. This technique allows the study of a star's oscillations, which periodically increase and decrease its radius. These radius variations lead to changes in the star's brightness, which can be observed by telescopes on Earth. By analyzing the amplitude and period of these oscillations and comparing them with physical models, astronomers can estimate how much of the star's core has crystallized. It is an indirect but extremely effective method for probing the depths of distant stars.
Lucy offers a glimpse into the future of white dwarfs.
These celestial objects, destined to cool and crystallize over time, accompany us on a journey towards the inevitable fate of the universe. Slowly, all white dwarfs will transform into diamonds, crystallizing until they become inert. In this way, stars will continue to live a second life, shining like gems in the vast darkness of space. Lucy is not just a scientific discovery, it is a symbol of the wonder of the universe. Its existence reminds us that the cosmos is full of mysteries and wonders waiting to be discovered. Every star, every planet, every galaxy tells a story, and Lucy's story is one of the most fascinating.
Lucy's discovery also has educational value. Telling stories like this can inspire new generations to take an interest in science and astronomy.
Wonder and curiosity are powerful motivators, and Lucy is a perfect example of how science can capture the imagination. In addition to its scientific and educational value, Lucy's discovery also has a philosophical dimension. It invites us to reflect on the nature of the universe and our place in it. The stars, which seem so distant and unreachable, are actually composed of the same elements found on Earth. This reminds us that we are part of something bigger, a vast and mysterious universe that continues to surprise and fascinate us.
Lucy's story makes us reflect on how stars, even in their death, can give life to something incredibly beautiful and fascinating. It is a reminder that the universe is constantly evolving and that there is always something new to discover and learn. Thank you for following us. If you enjoyed it,
Share and subscribe to the channel for new cosmic adventures.